all together. This is a patty.
Yeah, it's a hamburger patty. Wow.
And next the tomato.
Hmm.
And next the cheese.
Okay.
And then next the... Oh, where the onion is.
I don't know.
Here it is.
Oh, yes. Let's put the onion.
Uh-oh. Where is the pickle? This is a pickle.
No, that's lettuce.
Pickle!
Yes.
And this is a lettuce. Lettuce, madam. A lettuce. And this is the lettuce. And this is the hamburger
Bun.
Hamburger bun. Wow! We make our hamburger. Hey friends, do you want to spin this hamburger?
Yeah.
First I'll eat it. And then spin! What was
Is it a yummy hamburger?
Yeah, it's been super fast. Spin! These are the ones that when we put them, it will turn into like this. It's a magic.
Yeah. What shape is that, Vihaan?
This is a square.
And what color is that?
It's a brown and purple.
It's a brown.
It's a brown patty.
Yes. Next, we will make a cheese.
Let's do the cheese.
What shape is that, Vihaan?
It's a triangle.
It's a star.
It's a star.
And what color is that?
It's yellow.
It's a yellow cheese.
Yeah, yellow cheese.
What shape is that, Vihaan?
Circle.
It's a circle.
And look, it's rolling. It's
Mm-hmm.
rolling just like it's rolling just like a hay.
Yes. And what color is that, Vihaan?
It's purple and pink.
It's a purple onion. Now let's make a purple.
You guys love onion.
I love onions. Yes. Onion is my favorite.
Yeah, onion give us our muscles strong and fat.
Yes.
But I eat one onion when I eat burger.
Mm-hmm. Next we will make tomato. Do you wanna make a tomato next?
Oh yeah.
It's a red.
Heart.
Yes. Can you make a heart?
It doesn't spin.
I know it doesn't. Let's put a
Heart.
heart tomato.
This is a pickle.
And what shape is that?
It's a triangle.
Can I see the triangle? Yes, it's a green.
Triangle heart.
I know. Let's make a pickle now.
It spins. Hey, it spins, friends. Oh, it's spin-a-rooney.
Yeah.
It cannot hold it with one single. Now let's make a triangle. It's too hard to make a triangle.
It is.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I want to do it again. I like it. Yeah. When we do it really hard, it just get out. I want to do it again and again.
Oh wow, you did it.
Oh, then now let's put a salad.
A lettuce.
A lettuce. And one more last thing. It's a
Bun.
bun. We make our hamburger. Bye friends. See you later. If you want to watch more of my videos, then subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you.